Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who was Zimbabwe Defense Forces commander in 2017 when the military ousted the late former President Robert Mugabe from power, yes, for the first time admitted the dramatic event was a coup. His recent presentations to the ZANU-PF Presidium included brochures. Sabina Mashuka anasubuda panguwa ine unokuwa kuti Chiwenga admits 2017 event was a coup. No subscribe like out on the bell like timina unamobuda nyuka mchinzi. In his confidential document to the ZANU-PF top 5 and the Politburo on September 17, seen by the Newsox, Chiwenga said, "Comrade President, we undertook Operation Restore Lagos with a sacred mandate to reclaim our nation from the jaws of corruption and to restore the dignity, prosperity, and sovereignty of Zimbabwe for its people. Comrade President, in November 2017, we took a bold and necessary step to remove former President Robert Mugabe from power because, number one, he sought to manipulate our constitution for personal gain. Two, he allowed certain individuals and families to seize his executive authorities and abuse it. Three, he ignored the suffering of the people while a corrupt elite looted with impunity. Four, he turned ZANU-PF into a personal fiefdom, disregarding its founding values. During November 2017, we risked everything, our lives, our freedom, our future, to restore and defend our legacy and party and the constitution." Chiwenga's admission marks a huge step in correcting a major historical event. What actually happened on November 14, 15, 2017 for the record and posterity. After staging the past, the army insisted publicly that its action did not constitute a coup but was merely a military-assisted transition. The military rationale was that it was targeting criminals surrounding Mugabe, not staging a takeover of the government itself. Announcing the coup, the late Sibusiso Moyo, one of the commanders, even said the president had not been removed and was safe and sound. Chiwenga now admits in writing that the army took action to remove Mugabe, which was undeniably a coup. This initial army position was widely contradicted by some few media organizations on the ground, especially Zimbabwe Independent and The Standard, which reported on that without fear or favor observers and actual events that unfolded. Military actions on November 14, 15, 2017, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces deployed tanks and personal armored guerrillas in the capital Harare. Such control of the state broadcaster barricaded, placed Mugabe's office and put him under house arrest at the Blue Roof Hotel mansion. The army occupied the streets and positions around airport in Harare. That was a clear coup to many, but then Chiwenga and his commander denied it. Ndomashwa kuda panguwa ino Chiwenga achizvibudisa pachena kuti aiwa tatikamboramba panguwa ino tichiti aiwa it wasn't a coup, vanhu ndo vakanobvisa vachiti hatanga taneta nethe Mugabe rule, but panguwa ino achibudisa chokwadi akuexposa achiti president imazoda mnangagwa comrade president takai stage a coup nokuda kwenumber of reasons amenshena panguwa ino achiti the same situation yakanga iriko 2017 ndo yavapo. So zviri kureva kuti kudii? Do you want us to stage another coup against you? Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abvira comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.